In this tutorial, we cover how to print patch panel labels using the Fox-in-a-Box professional printer kit. Panel design. Select whether you have a copper or fiber patch panel. In this tutorial, we will be using copper. Select the number of ports in each group and choose the number of groups across the panel. Here, we have 6 ports per group and 4 groups. Select how many U's the panel is. If the panel is more than 1 U, then you can also adjust the direction of your labels. Measure the port width and enter here. Measure the spacing between each port. If your panel is more than 1 group, also measure the distance between the groups. Label design. Select the material type. This can be non-adhesive, adhesive or raised profile. Select roll width from the drop-down, and then strip height. If you select ports only or titles only, you can have up to 6 lines depending on the strip height. Ports and titles cannot be split into lines. These screenshots show what ports only, titles only, and ports and titles look like. Titles can be set per group of rows or across full row of ports. Choose where your patch panel has its label recess, above ports, below ports, inside rows or outside rows. Select whether you want lines between your ports or groups, or you want cut marks. Please note that the cut marks are only visible on screen when viewing in print preview mode. Adding data. Data entry has all the same capabilities as other parts of the software. For more information, please see the label workshop videos. If you have a multi-line label, then you need to select which line you would like to add data to. You can create additional builds, just like in other parts of the software. If you want to change the setup of the labels, such as the number of splits or design changes, return to the Label Design tab and change the desired settings. Please note that any panel design changes will affect all builds. New builds can be set to start from next available port. Next group. Next row or panel. Here is an example of a 2-build job. Favorites. Patch panel designs can be added to your favorites by pressing the star plus icon in the top left-hand corner. Please note that if you have multiple builds, it will only favorite the selected build configuration. You can save your design with the default name or rename it to something more recognizable. You will find all of your designs in the Favorites tab. Select your chosen name and click the Apply Selected button. You can also manage your favorites. See the full details of your design. View the image of the design. You can also rename, delete them and apply from here. Settings and units. Add or remove rulers from the panel and print preview screens. Set strip lines to show in print preview, as well as show line color coding. Adjust margin for vertical offset on the label. Switch the measurement units between millimeters and inches. As well as using the tabs, you can also find all of these features via the burger menu. Innovation, quality, service, time saving, integrity, Silver Fox.